Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily stop videos from looping automatically in iOS 27 on your iPhone and iPad. By default, the Photos app in iOS 27 automatically loops videos, causing them to play again as soon as they reach the end. While some users enjoy continuous playback, others may find it rather distracting, especially when reviewing recordings or watching longer clips. Fortunately, there is a quick way to disable this behavior with a simple setting. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the Apps option. Then you have to scroll down to find the Photos app and select it. After that, you have to head over to the App Settings section and choose View Options. And finally, you have to disable the toggle for loop videos. And there you have it. By turning off automatic video looping, you can enjoy a more natural viewing experience in the Photos app. Instead of watching the same clip repeat endlessly, each video will stop once it finishes, giving you full control over what to watch next. It's a small but thoughtful accessibility and usability feature that can make browsing your photo library feel less distracting and more intentional. And if you ever happen to change your mind, you can choose to re-enable video looping at any time from the same settings. So explore the new Photos options to further customize your viewing experience and make your iPhone or iPad work the way you prefer. And that's about it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.